Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another haul video, and today I have a massive Japan makeup and skincare haul. I'm going to jump right in just because I have a lot to get through. But before we get started, I wanted to quickly shout out today's sponsor, Tokyo Treats and Sakura Co. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. Tokyo Treats is a Japanese subscription box filled with amazing and unique seasonal flavored snacks that you can only get in Japan during certain seasons. Sakura Co focuses more on traditional, authentic Japanese flavors and snacks. They work with local snack makers to bring some of Japan's best flavors, but feel free to use my discount code ARENA at checkout or click the link in the bio. But I wanted to start off with skincare, and the first step is cleanser. So I picked up these two cleansing oils. I actually stocked up on a lot of this cleansing oil. I already have like 2 in the bathroom, but this is the Cosmeport Speedy Cleansing Oil. I'm not too sure what the brand is. This one lost its cap, but it's fine because I have so many that I can just grab one of my old ones and put it on this one when I do use it. But this is just like a really inexpensive fast cleansing oil that I just use to remove my makeup, and it's so good at taking off all my makeup, so I really like it. I also picked up some Perfect Whip beauty foam, the Senka Perfect Whipped beauty foam. This one has collagen in it, so the normal one is the blue one. I used to use that one, but I thought that the collagen one might be a little bit better, so I picked these ones up. And I've got one in the bathroom that I've been using recently. I normally double cleanse, so I use the cleansing oil and then I go in with this cleanser. And it's really gentle, it's foam, so it's like light. I feel like it makes your skin feel really clean after you use it, which some people like, some people don't like. But honestly, it's not too bad. It definitely is very like light and easy. I also picked up this Det Clear Brighten Peel. This is kind of like a exfoliant, so when you rub it on your skin, it has bits come off, so it's kind of like an exfoliator. It's fruit peeling jelly, but like, yeah, I feel like when you use it, it actually feels like it's getting rid of your dead skin cell because it has like those little parts. I know that there's another brand in Japan that is more well known for this product that went viral years ago, but this one had like a 1 on it and it was like a little bit cheaper, so I was like, let me just pick up this version instead. And I actually have one that I've already been using and I quite liked it, so I stocked up on a second one. I also had to pick up the vitamin C serum and toner. So this is the toner. I have one already that I've been using. Most of these products I'm just stocking up on because I liked them when I was trying them in Japan. So this is the toner. This is a refill packet, so I'm going to put this into the toner that I already have and use. And then this is just the serum. I told my mom to buy this and then she was like, oh, let me try a different one. And then she came back to Melbourne and her friend recommended her this one, so she brought one. And I was like, I told you it was good in Japan, why didn't you want to get it? And she was like, it's so good. And I was like, I told you it was good. And she didn't listen to me until her friend recommended it to her. But I have a spare one, so I'll probably give her this one when she runs out of hers, because I take time. I've been using mine like slowly. I don't use it every day. I use it maybe like once or twice a week. And next I wanted to share the sunscreen that I got, because I got so much sunscreen. I had to stock up on the Biore sunscreen while I was in Japan, because why not? So I picked up these ones. One water-based one. I haven't tried this one before, but I think if it's like thinner, it might feel more comfortable under makeup. Not too sure. They keep changing it, so I never remember which one is the one that I use, because I was actually using this one while I was in Japan this time, and it was a Skin Aqua Tone Up UV Essence. And apparently, because this one had like essence in it and it's like a purple tinge, I thought it would work better like under makeup because it's really good for brightening, and it has like toner in it, which is always like a really good skincare kind of mixture in sunscreen. So I was using this one in Japan, so I didn't get to try out these ones, so I actually don't know which was the one that I normally use, but I assumed it was this one, so I stocked up on this one. But I did want to try the water-based one, so I grabbed one of these just in case. I did also grab some sun sticks. I saw so many girls on TikTok raving about these, so I grabbed 2 of them. This is the Fresh Powder Sun Stick from Nature Republic. I picked up a few sun sticks in Korea as well, but I had to grab this one from Japan. I was going to give one to my sister, but yeah, I cannot wait to try these because I've heard really good things. I did also pick up a few face masks. I think I picked up the rice one as well, but I left it in my bathroom and I kind of can't be stopped getting it. I'm sorry, so I will just share these ones with you guys. This is a tea tree care solution from Mediheal, but I love tea tree. Tea tree is so good for your skin. I also stocked up on some of the Cica VT Cica mask, and I just really love Centella for the skin, so I had to stock up on this. This one comes with like, this one's heavy. I feel like it comes with a decent amount of sheet mask. And I just saw a lot of people raving about this brand on TikTok, so I had to pick it up. I've only used this one so far, and it's a Quality First Super VC100 Super Delivery. People say that these sheet masks are meant to be like the kind of sheet masks that they give you when you go to like facials and stuff like that. Like they're really like nice. So I picked this one up, and then I picked the Quality First, the Derm Mask. I actually don't remember what the differences between them are. I think this one has Super VC100. And it had a number 1 on it as well. So I picked this one up. This one has 3, but it's new and it's pink. So have to give that a try, but so far have been liking this one. Very nice. I did also stock up on some hair products. So I have the honey. I used the honey when I was in Japan, but I used the pink one. Apparently it's for curly hair and my hair is straight, so I was like, let me pick up this one because this is the original, so hopefully it's like better for my hair. But I really liked it while I was there, so I had to try this one. This is Honey Deep Moisture Treatment. I'm pretty sure shampoo and then conditioner. And I also, like, back when I was younger and I would go to Japan, I used to love the Tsubaki shampoo, so I had to pick one up for old time's sake. So I have the shampoo and then the conditioner, and this is the Premium Moisture Repair Conditioner and Shampoo. I don't remember if it actually is as good as I remember it to be, but I just had to pick it up and try, so I can't wait to try these out. And I also actually picked up the Fino Premium Touch Conditioner. I think this is like a mask, a hair mask. It's actually really good. I really like this product. I only got one because it's massive, but I did also pick up the oil. So this is the Fino Premium Touch Oil. This is really nice. I know people mix this with the hair mask, or some people mix baby oil with the hair mask, but I just use them separately. I haven't tried that yet, and I feel like the results are still absolutely gorgeous every time I use it, but this oil has been good. I also picked up the Honey Melt Moist Oil. This is the pink one. Again, I think apparently the pink version was for curly hair, and I thought that I got the pink one because I thought it was cuter, and it says Melty Moist Repair, so I thought it was like good for damaged hair because my hair has been bleached quite a lot back in the day, and I do dye it frequently, so I thought that this would be fine. It is really good. The one thing that I don't really like about the honey oils is that they're really strong, I feel like, or like a little bit goes a really long way. Sometimes I feel like when I put it in, I always have to put in like a tiny bit, because if I put in like a whole pump, my hair will feel like oily. Like it still feels nice, but it just feels like oily, whereas if you just like do a little bit, it's like perfect. But you have to be very light-handed with this product. So let's move into makeup. I actually don't have that much makeup, which is quite good, but let's start off with lip balm. My sister absolutely loves this lip balm. It is the Mentrum Medicate Stick with menthol. It has that minty texture when you put it on, but my sister loves this product, so we had to stock up on some of it. It's actually really good. While I was in Japan, I actually really liked the DHC lip balms. This one's the DHC lip cream, and it doesn't have a flavor, which I think is good for people that don't like the menthol taste of the other one. And I don't know, there was something about this lip balm that always made me want to reapply it, and I feel like I never want to reapply lip balm, and that's why my lips are always chapped and it's bad. But there's something about this one that I always liked reapplying, so I really like this. I stocked up on a few of those. I picked up a lot of CanMake products while I was in Japan. I think it's one of their more affordable makeup lines, and they are so cute. The packaging is so adorable. So this one is the CanMake Marshmallow Finish Powder. I think it's just like a really nice pressed powder. Whoa, that is so beautiful. But it's just like a really clean pressed powder. Oh my gosh, so cute. I would so carry this in my wallet, but that's so cute. I've heard really good things, so I picked up one for me and my sister. I also picked up this small version of the pressed powder. It's like a smaller one because I did want one for my bag. I remember that, so maybe I got this one for my bag because it's just like a little one. This one is more like translucent clear looking, whereas the other one kind of has a pink tinge. I mean a yellow tinge. Yeah, this one's more like yellow colored, but I think this was the one that I saw people rave about, so I picked that up, and then I think I picked this one up for my bag because it's like so small and so cute, and the packaging is absolutely adorable. It's like a little heart with a keyhole in the middle, which I feel like is perfect for me. But I also picked up this blush from Canmake. So this is the Canmake Glow Fluid Cheeks, and it was just like really pretty. It looks like kind of iridescent-y, like pinky, and it has like that flower like pressed design, which I thought was really pretty, so I had to pick that one up as well. I did also pick up 3 of their cream cheek blushes. I heard really good things about these on TikTok as well, and I was watching them in the store and they were so buttery smooth that I had to pick some up. So I have them in the shade 21, P01 and 05. I can't hold all 3 of them. I think I got one for my sister. So I think I got 2 for me and then I got 1 for my sister. But they are just so beautiful. I cannot wait. Oops. I cannot wait to use them. I have a rug in my room that's fluffy and I feel like it's getting stuck in all of these products. But that is so cute. I also had to pick up some Canmake mascaras. I love Japanese mascaras. So one is the Canmake Quick Lash Curler and the other one is the Quick Lash Curler Separate. I'm not too sure. I don't remember what the difference is, but I think that they might have different ones. I'm not too sure. I don't want to open them up because I know that once you open up mascara, you need to like use it or else it will dry up. So I'll include a picture of the different ones. But I also did pick up the eyelash remover. My biggest mistake with Japan mascaras is not picking up eyelash removers because I used to struggle so hard taking them off until I realized that you need an eyelash remover. I also picked up some mascara from Hero and Make, and this is the mascara that I always use, and I never realized that they have a makeup remover as well, so I had to pick it up. I picked up one by itself and then one in a set, and it's been my favorite mascara for like a while now, so I had to stock up on that one. I also picked up a eyeliner, a Hero and Make brown eyeliner. I feel like I stocked up on more of these, but I can't find them and I'm running out, so I'm going to be using this one soon. I did also pick up some products from Tier. I actually did a makeup review on this product, and it is just their Cushion Compact Foundation. And I've been loving this product. I've actually been using it quite a bit. It is their Tier Mask Fit Red Cushion in the shade 21 Ivory. And I actually did a review on this product and I have been liking it. I also picked up some of their setting spray because I heard good things about this too. So this is the Mask Fit Makeup Fixer. I didn't use them together because I wanted to see how this lasted by itself, but I do in the future want to try it with the setting spray to see if it lasts longer. But I just got one for me and my sister. Sorry I'm hardcore rushing, but my camera is flashing, so I feel like it's about to die. But I think that was all for this skincare, makeup and hair care that I picked up in Japan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!